Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new contact on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open this phone application, which is usually on your home screen. After, click on this tab, Contacts, and here on the right edge, you'll be able to see this plus. Click on it, and right here we'll be creating our new contact. The first thing that we need to enter, that's name of the contact. I will enter Casey. The second one is the phone number. I will type in just random numbers. And also you'll be able to add even more phone numbers if this person has more than one. Then the next thing that you can add is emails or add it to any group, for example, emergency contacts, or create group with your colleagues. The next thing that we can see right here is view more. And that's phonetic name and nickname for this person. Also work info, address, and a lot of interesting features, but I think we don't need it for now. And also one interesting thing that you can do, that add photo for this contact by clicking on this camera icon. You can choose one of the suggested photos or add one from your gallery by clicking on this gallery button right here. I will choose random photo, for example this one, click done, click save, and now the contact is created. If you want to edit something in this contact, simply click on this edit button right here and change what do you need. After you are done, also click save, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.